Elsa and Rapunzel stood at the base of the Tower of Frozen Lights. It was a cold, enigmatic structure, shimmering with icy brilliance. The kingdom of Arendelle had been plagued by a mystic curse, draining it of magic and the warmth of friendship, leaving its people distant and disconnected. "We must reach the top," Elsa said, her voice tinged with determination. "It's the only way to restore Arendelle." Rapunzel nodded, her golden hair trailing behind her like a beacon of hope. "Together, we can do this," she assured, her eyes glimmering with trust. The two began their ascent. The tower was enchanted. Each stair was a challenge. As Elsa summoned her ice powers, they formed dazzling bridges across gaps and slippery paths, while Rapunzel's hair served as both an anchor and a foraging rope, securing their passage. Midway through their climb, a sudden gust of wind lashed against them, threatening to throw them off balance. Elsa reached out with a hand coated in frosty sparkles, shooting a stream of ice to steady themselves. "Thank you," Rapunzel breathed, slightly shaken but more resolute. Her hair glowed warmly, enveloping Elsa in a warmth that softened the biting cold. They reached a spiraling staircase etched into the tower's side. As they climbed, a dim light emanated from the core, growing with intensity. Elsa and Rapunzel exchanged hopeful glances. Finally, they reached the peak. At the summit lay the heartstone of friendship cloaked in shadows, its luminescence dulled by the curse. "This is it," Elsa murmured, stepping forward. Beside her, Rapunzel let her hair entwine with the stone, and together, they focused their powers and inner light. The heartstone began to flicker, sparks raining down. Elsa infused it with glacial energies while Rapunzel's warm glow wrapped around it. The entire tower shuddered as beams of warm, radiant light exploded outward, banishing shadows from Arendelle and reigniting friendship amongst its people.